When you mix things, heat them, or cool them, you can create something different. Let's learn some cooking words. Mixing. Combining or blending different substances or ingredients. Cooking. The process of preparing food by applying heat. Recipe. A set of instructions for preparing a specific dish. Ingredients. The substances or components used in a recipe. Stirring. Mixing or agitating a substance with a spoon or utensil. Baking. The process of cooking food using dry heat in an oven. Whisk. A utensil used for beating or mixing ingredients. Mixing bowl. A deep, round bowl used for combining ingredients. Oven. An enclosed chamber or compartment used for baking or roasting. Kneading. Working and manipulating dough to develop gluten. Sifting. Passing dry ingredients through a sieve to remove lumps. Boiling. The process of heating a liquid until it reaches its boiling point. Simmering. Cooking food gently in liquid at a low temperature. Grilling. Cooking food directly over an open flame or heat source. Sauteing. Cooking food quickly in a small amount of fat or oil. Marinade. A seasoned liquid used for flavoring and tenderizing meat. Seasoning. Adding salt, herbs, spices, or other flavorings to enhance taste. Measuring spoons. Utensils used for measuring small amounts of ingredients. Blanching. Briefly boiling vegetables and then plunging them into ice water. Knife. A sharp-edged tool used for cutting or slicing. Peeler. A tool used to remove the skin or outer layer of fruits or vegetables. Grater. A tool with sharp-edged holes used for shredding or grating. Colander. A bowl-shaped strainer used for draining liquids from food. Blender. An electric appliance used for mixing, pureeing, or emulsifying. Rolling pin. A cylindrical tool used for flattening dough or rolling out pastry. Tongs. Utensils with two arms and a pivot point, used for gripping and lifting food. Ladle. A large spoon with a deep bowl, used for serving soups or sauces. Cutting board. A flat board used for cutting and preparing food. Oven mitts. Protective gloves worn when handling hot objects or dishes. Can opener. A tool used for opening cans and tins.